Hello, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So, today, date is 15 May, day Friday. Your class is second, subject computer, and we were discussing about chapter number 1. So, this is the third part of the video. Now, in this part, we'll discuss about the use of computer in different fields at different places. Okay, how computer is used at different places or different fields. First is home. In home we use computers for listening music, for watching movies, for completing our homework, for playing games, okay, and for preparing our assignments, projects. In offices we use computers for keeping records. What type of records? Of offices, of employees. जितने भी एम्प्लॉयज़ वगैरह या जितने भी ऑफिस के वर्क वगैरह होते हैं उन सब का रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं. फॉर टाइपिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड लेटर्स, फॉर सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग emails, and for calculating salary and all. Now in schools we use computers for teaching, for making question papers, for keeping records. What type of records we keep in school? For keeping records of students, teachers, for preparing results, timetables, papers. Okay, so there are many different ways of using computers in schools. Now in hospitals we use computers for preparing reports of patients, for getting information about diseases, for keeping records of doctors, of patients, of all the employees that are working in the hospitals, or for getting information about the diseases. In banks we use computers for withdrawing money, for paying money, for keeping records of transferred money. The money we transfer from one account to another, we keep the record of that also. For keeping the record of customers accounts, जितने भी अकाउंट होते हैं सबका इंफॉर्मेशन सेव होता है. Now next is shops and shopping malls. In shops computers are used for preparing bills, for swiping credit and debit cards. Suppose we are not having cash money, so we can swipe our credit or debit cards to pay the bill. For keeping records of all the purchased things, all the sale things. Okay, next is railway station and airports. For railway station and airports, computers are used for booking and cancellation of tickets. If you want to book ticket, if you want to cancel tickets, computer is used. For keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and airplanes. ट्रेन्स और एयरप्लेन्स कब आ रहे हैं, कब जा रहे हैं, इन सब का रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए. फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द स्पीड ऑफ एयरप्लेन्स एंड ट्रेन्स. नेक्स्ट इज साइंटिफिक रिसर्चेस. मीन्स साइंटिस्ट यूज कंप्यूटर्स फॉर वेदर फॉरकास्टिंग. वेदर फॉरकास्ट मीन्स सपोज हमें 2-3 दिन पहले ही पता लग जाता है कि अब बारिश होएगी या अब बहुत ज़्यादा धूप निकलेगी. सो दीज आर नोन एज weather forecast give us these type of information. For controlling rockets and missiles, for providing us information about space, about satellites. So there are many fields in which computers are used in different ways. In homes computers are used in different ways. In offices computers are used in different ways. In schools, in hospitals, in banks, in all fields computers are used in many different ways. Now thank you.